Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12 Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 6 of Chapter 5 Server Side Scripting PHP Standard 12th Science. In our last part, we have discussed about control structures in PHP. The first is if statement in PHP. Second is if else statement in PHP. Third one is loop structure in PHP. We have discussed one loop, for loop, with an example. Also, we have discussed use of for each loop in PHP. This for each loop works only on arrays. In this part, we are going to start our next topic, PHP string functions. A string is series of characters. The real power of PHP comes from its functions. A function is a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. Means you can use functions for the repetitive task. Just write a function and use it many times in the program to avoid the repetitive task. So the real power of PHP comes from its functions. Just like JavaScript, PHP has many built-in functions that can be called directly to perform a specific task. Built-in functions are also called as library functions or predefined functions. There are many predefined functions for string manipulation. Following are the few predefined functions in PHP to manipulate string. The table shows function name and description. First function is strlen function. This strlen function returns the length of a string, that is total number of characters. Second function is str_word_count. It counts the number of words in a string. Third is strrev function, which returns reverse string, means displays a string in a reverse order. Fourth function is strpos function. This function searches for a specific text within a string and returns the character position of the first match, and if no match is found, then it will return false. Next function is str_replace function. This function replaces some characters with some other characters in a string. Next function is substr. It returns a part of a string. So if you want to display a part of a string, use substr function, substr function. Next function is str_lower. It converts a string to lowercase. If you want to convert uppercase letters into lowercase letter, use str_lower function. Next one is substr_count. This function counts the number of times a substring occurs in a string. Next is UC-words function. It converts the first character of each word in a string to uppercase. And last function is trim function. Trim function removes white spaces and other predefined characters from both sides of a string. So, if you want to remove white spaces from left hand side and right hand side of a string, use trim function to remove white spaces from both sides of a string. So these are some predefined functions for string manipulation used in PHP. This program shows few string manipulation functions. Open PHP by using less than question mark PHP. In next line, mention one variable str by using $sign, having the string textbooks produced by Balbharti are also published in PDF format. Write in double quote. In next line, write echo space, use br tag, string colon, double quote complete, use dot operator, write $str semicolon. In next line, use br tag with echo. In next line, echo space br, string length colon, write in double quote, write dot strlen, pass one variable str in str function, write semicolon. In next line, write br tag with echo. In next line, write echo space br, string word count colon, double quote complete, use dot operator to join the part. After dot, write str underscore word underscore count function, pass str variable in str word count function, write semicolon. In next line, write br by using echo keyword. In next line, to display reverse string, write echo space in double quote, use br tag, write reverse string colon, double quote complete, use dot, write str rev function, pass str variable semicolon. In next line, use br tag with the help of echo. To display return position of string search, write echo keyword space, use br tag, write return position of string search colon in double quote, write dot, write strpos function, pass variable str comma Balbharti keyword in double quote, close parenthesis semicolon. Here in strpos function, two arguments are passed. First is a variable having a value of string. Str variable holds string textbooks produced by Balbharti are also published in PDF format. So this is a string which passes in this function in the form of str variable, first argument, comma, and second argument is to be passed Balbharti to search within a string and returns the character position. So in strpos function we have to pass two arguments. In next line, write echo space br tag in double quote. In next line, to replace one string with another string, write echo br tag replace string colon double quote complete, write dot, write str underscore replace function, pass 3 argument, first Balbharti, second state board, these both are string, and third argument is to be passed variable name str. So in str underscore replace function we have to pass 3 argument. First and second arguments are string, and third argument is a variable containing a string, and all these arguments are separated by comma. End PHP by using question mark greater than. Save the program and execute it on the browser. You will get this output. Here in the output, in first line it shows a string as it is. The string is textbooks produced by Balbharti are also published in PDF format. In second line it will show string length 67. If you count the number of characters in a string hold in a variable str, you will get 67 value. So in second line the output shows string length 67. So in second line str length function returns the length of a string, that is 67. In third line it shows string word count 10. If you count the number of words in a string holds in a variable str, it is 10. So in third line it displayed string word count 10. Here we are using str underscore word underscore count function to count the number of words in a string. So in third line it shows string word count 10. In fourth line it shows the reverse string of a string which is hold in variable str. The string displayed in reverse order, reverse string, and this we get by using the strrev function. Strrev function displays a string in reversed order. In fifth line we'll get return position of string search 22. The output of line 5 is 22 because here we are using strpos function to search a specific string, that is Balbharti, in a string which is hold in str variable. Here the position of Balbharti word string is at 22. That's why it shows return position of string search, that is Balbharti, is 22. And in last line of output, Balbharti string replaced by state board string. So the output of last line we are getting by using the function str underscore replace, where we are replacing Balbharti text with state board text from a string in str variable. So the function str underscore replace replaces some characters with some other characters in a string. Here Balbharti is replaced with state board. In our next part we will discuss about PHP arrays, how to create an array in PHP, types of arrays in PHP, by using the examples. Thank you.